In this video, we're going to show you how easy it is to generate a job report within AirMaxx. For this example, imagine a sales manager wants to examine the total amount of sales in 2021 for one employee. Finding this information is as simple as selecting the job report from the Reports module, entering in the name of the employee, entering the from date as January 1st, 2021, entering the to date as December 31st, 2021. After hitting the search button, AirMaxx will display the total number of jobs that meet the filter criteria. Click on the plus button on the right-hand side of the screen to expand and see the data for all of the jobs that fit this criteria. If all of this raw data is not necessary for our sales manager, there are additional filters located on the left-hand side of the screen that limit what data is available on the output. If, for example, we wanted to see job number and quote number, project name, sales group, customer, date, net cost, and sell price, it's as simple as hitting a couple of checkboxes. After you hit apply, the output will change to show the data you requested. If our sales manager wanted to filter down these results even more, say by manufacturer and customer, it's just as easy as a couple of clicks and a couple of words to type. Hitting the search bar again will change the results to show the updated filters. Through the reporting module, AirMaxx is able to provide data that fits your business and helps drive results.